It's time to introduce you to our manual operated bridge jack. If you don't have an air compressor at home, there's no problem. This is perfect for you. This is hand pumped, as you can see here. I'm going to walk you through some of the features of this bridge jack that we really appreciate. First, let's start off with this telescoping arm. Very easy to extend for some of those vehicles where you have to adjust the arms to fit the chassis perfectly. We have these inserts that go on either end. If your vehicle is a little bit higher and you need a slightly bigger clearance, these come off, you put the insert in place and you put the pad back on. The next feature that we really appreciate is the safety feature. This right here will automatically lock into place. So as you're manually pumping the jack up, this will slide into the next locking slot. And if by chance you hit the release knob here and the jack drops, it will stay in that next closest position, keeping it safe for you and for your vehicle. I will demonstrate. Make sure that you have the knob closed in order to be able to pump the jack up, and you just move the lever back up and down. As you can see, the jack goes up nice and slow into the position that you want it to sit on. In order to drop the jack, just like I had mentioned, you're going to have to disengage this locking pad, and you use the knob right here on the bottom to release the pressure, and you will see the jack drop down. I'm going to let go of this slot, and as you will see, it will engage and hold the jack in position. This is, again, our bridge jack, hand pump operated, perfect for every car enthusiast that doesn't have an air compressor, so this is perfect.